I hear it coming. Cut the storm, splits the sky. Pressure drop in my lungs, black clouds in my veins. Every heartbeat strung for the hurricane. I'm the shadow in the winds, I'm the storm in your soul. I'm the rising whisper behind your eyes. Lightning strikes and thunder around the world, cracks in the sky. I rise, bleed. No, I am the lost. Never rest. Static charges my tongue, I can taste the decay. Lightning writes out my name when I scream out your name. Thunder rolls inside my head, shake the ground I stand on. I was born in black and red. I am the storm you ran from. I am the storm, I break the tide. Lightning cuts, you are like a light. I am the storm, I am the storm. I split the night, cut the sun, split the sky. Split the sky. I'll break the roof off the world, let the hail punch your teeth. I'm the wind through the void, I'm the flood underneath. You pray for a breeze, but you summoned a god. Now the eye of the storm is the ground that you trod. Thunder rolls inside my head, shake the ground I stand on. I was born in black and red. I am the storm you ran from. I am the storm, I break the tide. Lightning cuts where I collide. I am the storm. I am the storm, I break the light. I split the night. I am the storm. Splits the sky. Split the sky. Split the sky. You called me calm before the rain. You never saw the hurricane. Now the winds howl out my name. I am the storm inside your brain. I am the storm, break the tide. I am the storm, I am the storm. I split the night, take up the storm.